In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download a Google Drive video without the permission. Let's get to the video. Okay, as you guys can see, I'm currently in the Google Drive website. And as you can see, there's the file there that I'm trying to download. What I want to do right now is I'm going to click these three dots. I'm going to click open with and then preview. Once you see this, you're going to see the video. You're going to play it and then we're going to pause it. Once you pause, you're going to look at the quality and everything else. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to go at the top, click the three dots, and then we're going to go ahead and click open in new window. Once you do that, a new window is going to open up. And as you can see, there's the video. We're going to change the quality up to the highest. Okay, we're going to go into the corner of the desktop options, and then we're going to go ahead and click more tools. And then this is going to pop up. Once you're in this section here at the top of here, you're going to go and click the arrow. And then we're going to click network. All right, you're going to go ahead and press the play button. Once you press the play button, the data basically is being transferred over into that section on what is in the back of my circle. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and click download. And then as you can see, the download has popped up. It's pretty straightforward. Once you follow these steps, you will be able to download whatever file is sent to you on Google Drive. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until we meet again.